case.
I think there was so much death.
So
during
much.
that scene.
The elevator died.
It's like they kept going down and then going up again, like an
Whoa!
elevator.
That sounds so familiar. Is it
Yeah.
that?
Like a toaster?
This game is Death by Toaster.
This will have everyone.
Yes. So a while ago, you guys saw Toaster, where everyone's going up and down, the squats, and doing scenes. We've made it harder for them because they deserve a challenge.
Yes, they do. Pain. So, what is the coolest thing you saw in a hotel? Our favorite from
Aircon. There has to be something cooler than an aircon. How about you, sir? What's the coolest thing you saw in a hotel?
An ice sculpture
Oh, an ice sculpture of what po?
of a naked man. I don't,
Oh. I'll just keep ice sculpture.
You don't want to do a naked man?
No, I don't want to do a naked man.
Alright, let's do ice sculpture.
Not on Women's Month. Happy Women's Month. This is naked woman. No. This is Death by Toaster with ice sculpture.
Ice sculpture, yeah.
I am Ice Michelangelo, and this is my masterpiece. Elsa, why is he naked? Model. Oh my god, an ice sculpture. So beautiful.
Your choice.
So ugly. Let it go!
okay, oh, there's a really nice looking ice sculpture right next to all the...
You're getting angrier.
Okay, I'm really, really thirsty. Now guys, this may be an ice sculpture, but this is a nice sculpture. I am the most privileged ice sculptor ever. I am the least privileged.
And now I want you to
Switch.
Finally, I'm done after 69 years!
Deadline for this ice sculpture project. I know, but we're in the Philippines, it's hot, and we don't have a freezer. We don't have a budget for the freezer. Okay.
Every letter starts with the letter Q. Every line.
Wait there! I don't know what we're gonna do. We don't have a freezer. What?
So we have an ice sculpture and a fire sculpture and a grass sculpture and an electric sculpture. We're collecting Pokemon at this point. Look at this beautiful sculpture.
That sucks.
I switch. When I'm through with you, you will be reduced to an ice sculpture.
You are sponsored by Dippin' Dots.
And now for my Dippin' Dots. Yeah! Pizza flavor. Ice pizza. And pineapples.
It's very cold where you are.
Guys, see, it's perfect time for an ice pizza. Got an ice sculpture in the moon? Oh my god. How's it taking place?
Jason, get up there.
Actually, it's because
Kino, provide sound effects.
I know what we're gonna do today.
What are we gonna do, Finn?
We're gonna make sculptures of ice.
20 years later.
Maybe this wasn't today.
Freeze! Don't move!
I want to be an ice sculpture when I grow up. Why is that ice My mother has killed my ice sculpture! Ice? I think I need a boyfriend.
Elsa?
And that was Death by Toaster! Thank you so much for joining us this evening. We hope you enjoyed your stay in the Winging It's Hotel. Staffers, let's say goodbye to our lovely guests. Goodbye. Oh my god! What was that?
You're all so incompetent. You're all just, it's like you're all just
Wait!